Hello all, in this program we are going to learn about program number 12, Python program 2, demonstrate array creation process, array creation techniques. Right? So as we know, to create numpy arrays, import numpy as np. It's an alias name which we are writing now. Now if we want to create one dimensional array, then I will take arr1 is equals to np dot array. It's a method where I am going to create 1, 2, 5, 8, let us say some 14. These are my array elements. So print arr1, right? Then run. So the module is running. This is the array which we had given here, right? If I want to display print arr type of this array, type of arr1, right? Again I have to go and I have to run. So it's a numpy n dimensional array. Okay, that is what we got. Print of arr1 dot d type, data type of the array will be returned to us. Okay, sorry, run. So it's integer 64 type array. Let me create another array here. arr2 is equals to np dot array of, if you want to create 2 dimensions, it is array in terms of 1 dimension, 1, 2, 3, let us say, then separated by second row with the commas. Right here writing some 11, 14, 18, then separated by comma. I am going to create 3 dimensions now, some 91, 56 random numbers, some 34. It's done, sir. Print of arr2. Right, 2-dimensional array got printed. Now if you want to check its dimensions, etc., then you are going to learn all this. We already learned the same in the previous program number 11. For more details, refer to program number 11, characteristics of array, which is been given. There we had learned dimension of array, size of array, shape of array, data type of array, item size, data, all that we had learned in the previous program. Okay, to save this, click here and click on the save. So it will be saved. To create a new file, go and call on new notebook. Right, that's all in this program. Thank you.